Brian Tooley Racing BTR Stage 3 Truck Cam, Beehive Springs Michigan Motorsports Seals, 7.400 Chromoly Pushrods 4.85.36.0. The Brian Tooley Vortec Racing Truck Cam kit includes, Stage 3 Truck Cam, Beehive Springs, set of VSLS hat seals, 7.400 Chromoly Pushrods Stage 3 Cams half specs 218/224.553/.553 110 plus 0 requires a 3-bolt timing gear. Stage 3 specifics. The Stage 3 V2 Cams haft is an amazing all-around grind for the truck enthusiast. You sacrifice some low-end torque in the pursuit of more power higher in the RPM range, but gain an idle note that is distinctly BTR. Stage 3 grind, it is still a tow-friendly cams haft, just not ideal for the everyday hauler. An aftermarket converter is highly recommended with this grind. Excellent for 4.85.36.06.2 Silverado, Sierra, Yukon, Tahoe, Suburban, Escalade will work with stock converter in some trucks, but recommended to install a 2800 to 3000 converter for best overall performance. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. Brian Tooley Racing BTR Stage 3 Truck Cam, Beehive Springs Michigan Motorsports.